everybody, we're back here on Barbells and Burnouts, and it's starting to get lit. Oh, go and get on it.
Y'all go follow me, 2 hoes, 1 rubber.
Oh,
yes, sir.
yeah.
We your mamas out here.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know about him, but me, I'm doing it.
Oh, I'll come
all
for your
night.
mama too.
Yes, sir.
Let's cut the big old light on. Since we having fun, let's do it. Boy, that joint is crazy. Alright, so as you can see, welcome back to Import Alliance, guys. It's getting lit out here. Everybody's starting to pack in. I don't know if y'all remember from last year, it got pretty wild out here. We had people doing burnouts. It was rubber. I don't know if the rubber tracks are but as you can see, it's getting kind of wild, alright? So stay tuned and wait for everything, because it looks like it's about to go crazy. Alright, so it seems like everybody switched from last year. If y'all remember, back over there was a burnout box. Now it looks like over here it's been switched up. So let's see what they do this time. Alright, so the cops are sitting all the way over there. Hopefully they let us have our fun, which I really doubt is gonna happen, because they got cameras like literally on every wall. But we'll see what we get done. And there's the first burnout of the night. It's a baby burnout, but it got it started. Go for the gram. Hey, for the YouTube channel. Just smash that hole. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Put the water there! Next spot.
Alright everybody, so here's the end of the video. Unfortunately we got rained out. I had a lot prepared for you guys, but nature didn't really want to cooperate. Alright, so stay tuned for day 2 here on the channel. Always remember to like, subscribe, and share, and I'll catch you guys later. Alright.